Alright, y'all convinced me. We're gonna be vlogging the second part too. So day 2 footage, we are doing it. So here we are, parked in the same spot. I got nothing special on, just kind of like wearing black. I got that woolly merch hat thing, but oh yeah. And Kandi Bar, thank you so much for the candy. This is what I'll be training over the Meetup today with Colorado race heads. It's gonna be at 6:15. But yeah, get ready for, I guess, we're just gonna put it all together. One big vlog. So I came inside, but there's like a weather warning, so we're like all being moved like sheep.
You're doing it right this year.
I'm hanging out with Mom. Angel's right there. We bumped into him. Yeah, there's like lightning, so we're just gonna like take cover for a bit until they clear it. So we are still indoors, waiting patiently. They're just talking.
Bored out of our minds.
Are we excited or what? Gonna go
yeah, let's go inboard. Woo!
I'm in the VIP area. They have like their own bars. There's like separate bars on the outside. So that's kind of where I got my drink. This was, I think, like $13. Back at the house stage. I don't know who's playing.
Lots of board!
Wait, who's playing? Give me that pussy.
Yeah, get some food. Hold on. Yeah, Jimmy! With the frisky hug! Woo! Yeah, where's his hug? Oh, get dirty, Jimmy! Yeah, Jimmy likes that. Jimmy loves a frisky. Jimmy loves a frisky. Jimmy loves a frisky.
At the meetup. Come on, Basehead boys!
Oh, my boy Frisky!
Welcome to the vlog, guys!
Yeah!
Boys!
Let's go.
Yeah. We're about to take this good picture, so. Show me that flag. Show me that flag. This man. Whoa, what the hell? Inception! Dude, the self-pour machines, life-changing. Love it. I waited like 30 seconds. I grabbed my cup, I just poured it in, boom, done. They take a picture, and that's what they use to actually charge you. And yeah, it's pretty lit. Yeah.
Let's go!
We're main stage for 2 friends.
Besides you, met a couple friends.
You know what to do!
Let's keep it going. Oh, fuck, yes. VIP.
Dapper!
All right, so we are back in Tampa. Just flew in this morning, showered up, looking ready to go again for something, but no. We're just relaxing today. I'm just editing some videos. I got like an interview tomorrow. I got a lot of fun stuff. I gotta do a lot of laundry because going to Christmas this weekend. So if this is out and you're also going to Christmas, let's link up. I'm also going to that Sunday that Sunday beach thing. So if you guys are gonna be there, fuck it, let's do it. Let's race together. All right, but that ends the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys aren't following me or subscribed, do that now. Until next time, bye.